12-hour shifts.
Too.
I'm sorry, you said they could probably do. I'm sorry.
I think they do that in Lancaster too.
You have to have staff. So during the week, they had one during the day, 12-hour, and then an overnight staff for 12 hours. And then they had someone else for the weekend, 2 other people during the weekend.
To take care of the kids, if that was something you were going to do. You know what I mean?
Right. Okay.
So those are just ideas that we have that Blythe, Blythe doesn't have a lot of things. So, like I said, a woman's home for a recovering or a children's thing would be a great idea. Something like that.
Okay. Yeah, I definitely appreciate you sharing those options. So I have that here in my notes too.
Okay.
And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and get the other addendum set up to where it shows that we're covering the solar lease.
Yes.
And then I think that should be it, unless you all have any other suggestions.
No, I think that's the only other. I was just confused about that one, line of sentence in there. We didn't quite understand what that meant, but now that you explained it to him and I, that
Okay. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Awesome. Well, if you guys need anything, feel free to give me a call, and I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get this out to you guys this weekend.
Okay.
And
sounds good.
Looks like Monday we'll have these submitted as well. So.
All right. Sounds good.
Awesome.
Appreciate it.
Oh, I appreciate you all as well. You have a great weekend, and like I said, if you need anything, just give me a call.
Thanks.
All right. Thank you so much.
Bye.
All right. Bye-bye. That was Lindsay and her husband. I've been talking to them for about 20 minutes now. Hello, sir. My name is Najee, and I was calling regarding your property on Weaver Street. You had spoke to my partner Omar a couple days ago.
Okay.
Yes, sir. How are you doing today?
It's always Christmas, guy, because I've been getting calls from you wholesalers all the time with it. It drives me nuts, but that's okay. Go on. What's going on, man?
Oh, so well, I'm an actual buyer. so
we all are, and we all are buyers. We all are in the same boat, rowing the same boat, but depending on the capacity. Some are wannabe buyers, some have real buyers, so talk to me, guys.
Yes, sir. I was looking at your property. I have the basic details here, and I did look at some photographs on Zillow. And I wanted to ask, are you just trying to wash your hands of this particular property? Were you interested in any type of seller financing? What are you looking to do with this one?
I don't know. Are you from the Dallas area, by the way? Because I've been getting calls from people from Arizona, and they have no clue what the Dallas market dictates. So are you in the area at all, by the way, or you just read? Give me your little background, so before I give you my answer.
Yes, sir. I am from out of state. I'm from the state of North Carolina, but we operate nationwide. So the business is actually based out of North Carolina.
Let me stop you right there. You guys do not, because the moment you ask for owner financing, you guys don't have the pockets to sustain these kind of deals. That's all I'm going to leave it at. Okay. Moment somebody, if you guys are operating throughout the U.S., you guys are got to be sitting with a cash pocket where the balance sheet is close to 7 figures or above 7 figures. So sorry, guy. Owner financing in this market, if you give me owner financing, I'll buy as much as you have, because I will even put decent down payment. But the reality is there's no such thing as owner financing in the area that you're looking at right now. You're looking at the prime neighborhood, guys. So that's what I'm going to leave it at.
Right. And are you looking just to sell properties, or are you looking to pick some up, or?
I'm a buyer and a seller, so I mean I don't really sell that much. I usually buy most of the time, so that's why And I don't look for financing. I push in what the American mighty dollar is. Just throw in the dollar,
Right. Okay. Awesome. Well, we specialize in having several different exit strategies available for investors. So whether you were doing cash or whether you were needing bank financing or whether you were looking for seller financing. We get these type of deals all the time. So one of the things that I do is I look for people that are in default on their VA loan, because people in the military, they have a different type of mindset when it comes to, hey, I'm getting foreclosed on my property. So they're more realistic, and we actually get those properties for pennies on the dollar, and we hold on to them for our portfolio. So these opportunities, we can have available for you to where the property might be worth, let's say, 500,000, and you're only putting $100,000 down, and then just taking over, the existing mortgage in place with maybe between a 3 to 5% interest rate. So, these are just a couple of things that I specialize in to where I'm able to actually help investors. So, any way that you want to spend your money, I can make sure it gets spent.
Why don't you do me a huge favor? See, you brought up something. Now you're talking. Okay, so do me a favor because I'm rude because I just get so many calls, guy.
I get
What
it.
is your name? What is your name, by the way? Before I've been calling you guy, and I want to give you. I want to basically refer to you with your name instead of the random.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. My name is Najee. My name is Najee Wyatt.
Nice, nice, nice. Now, silly question. My business partner is from Nigeria. So, are you from Nigeria as well?
I'm not from Nigeria, but I pretty much have a whole family in Nigeria that I've adopted. I'm the godfather of their whole family. They have a picture of me inside their house. And they live in Abuja, the capital. I'm very familiar with, love Nigerians. Very, very great, beautiful people.
Brilliant people. Brilliant, brilliant.
Very compassionate. Man.
More than compassionate, they're hardworking. They're smart. I mean, they're probably one of the Ghana, Nigeria, and I think Nigeria and Ghana are like two of the, and Ethiopia and Eritrea. But the Nigerians sit on the top of the food chain when it comes to the smart. And my God, they just are driven. My business partner is getting a PhD in applied mathematics. Man, his whole family is like judges and just brilliant people. So anywho, why don't you do me a huge favor? Shoot me your contact info at best. I'm gonna shoot. I gotta take care of my kids right now. So shoot me your info, and I'll meet you there. I'll not meet you. I will reach out to you after when I'm done with my kids. Then later, I'll just ping you. And if you have time, we can chat more further.
Okay, sounds like a plan. And what is the proper pronunciation of your name? Got you covered, Pete. Got you covered, Pete. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna send you my info for my personal phone number, and I also send you my personal website too, and you can check me out too. So I got you covered.
And I will also get my business partner Donald on the call as well, and see. Well, let me just get on a call with you, and then see what we get into, and then I definitely want to get him involved in this too because he's my business partner.
Okay. Hey, I got you covered, Pete. I'm your guy.
So now, you have a wonderful day, sir.
All right, you too. Thank you. Bye bye. Who he think he was talking to, man? Who he thought he was talking to? Like, he could tell he wanted to get off the phone with me, like, from the beginning. Now we best friends. Now we about to go out to lunch together. Watch.